welcome to another episode of Jim Takes Apart Stuff. Anyway, this is a hard drive. It's a Hitachi. And it's from an old PC, my dad's old PC. It's a SATA 3.0, and you know what? I don't know how big it is. So, 160 gig. Sorry, I do know how big it is. Anyway, we're going to take it apart today. And what you need for that is a Torx driver. I've got my little Husky brand Torx driver from Home Depot. It's nice. It's little. Oops, sorry about that. Didn't mean to hit the camera. I want to get this close enough that everybody can see. Got another neat little screwdriver here from Menards. Usually there's something under the label when I'm feeling around. I don't feel anything under the label. Let's flip it over. Let's take the motherboard off. Now what you can do is keep the motherboards. Sometimes motherboards do go bad on these drives. And if you have another PC with the same drive, you can always swap out the motherboard to see. It's relatively simple to do. As you can see, it just lifts off. The connection is here, and right there. I don't plan on keeping it, so I'm just going to get rid of the whole thing. Anyway, you can see three more. And there might be one under here. I want to show you the magnets and the discs. I think there'll be two discs. No, there may only be one disc on this drive. Well, let's see if we can open it. Okay, there is no screw under there. So let's see if we can pry it off. I don't feel anything under here. Try it again. Another Husky screwdriver. pop. Whoops. Whoopsie. And there it is. You can see the disc. The heads. You can see we already took the heads off. Look at how shiny that is. And here are the magnets. Whoa, these are small magnets. These are pretty powerful. If I'm correct, there's a magnet in here. Yeah, I guess I'm not correct. It's just a piece of rubber. And let's take the disc off so you can get a look at that. There's the disc. Look at how shiny that is. I mean, look at how nice that is. The precision on the discs is unreal. Anyway, that's what it's like to take apart a hard drive. There's a little servo motor. I think these are AC motors too. Not DC, but AC motors. Don't know for sure, but I thought it'd be of interest. I know what interests me. The heads. Look at how close those are. Micro precision. Have a great day now. We'll talk to you soon.